Hey guys, so I haven't done a proper vlog in a really long time, so I figured why not just do a vlog. So I got 4 hours to kill, so I don't want to waste a day inside my house. I'm gonna go out and take some pictures of some cool spots. So let's do this. Best Cuban coffee and went to work. This is amazing. Alright guys, so I made it to the destination. Check this out. So there's some really cool graffiti on that wall, like actual legal graffiti. It's super cool, but that's not what I'm here for. I am going to explore these train tracks. Now I've been here before. I was here once with a friend. I took some pretty cool pictures of him by the trains, but we didn't have much time to actually explore the area. So I want to explore the area and take some cool shots. So let's do this. Look how cool this is. So this is like some sort of warehouse or something. Just looks super dope. What's inside there? Can you guys see inside there? I think it's an actual like factory or something. I don't think that's abandoned. Well, this is the sad part of this little adventure. The camera doesn't work. I don't know what's wrong with it. It was acting really slow. The other day, it wouldn't turn on, but then when I got home, it turned on. Fine. So I'm like, okay. Now, you know, all the batteries are charged up. Everything's good. But it just doesn't want to work. Alright guys, quick update. I was messing around with it, and I took out the SD card, and the camera is working now. So maybe the SD card is corrupted. So I'm pretty sure I figured out the issue. I put in my SD card that was in my dash cam into my camera. I formatted it. Camera works fine now. So I guess the other SD card was just corrupted. I kind of really want to climb this. Let's do it. It's trying to get down from here without falling. Oh boy. Alright. Of course, I'm doing it one-handed because I want to freaking vlog for you guys. I'm literally using my elbow to hold on. Oh god. Okay, I can do this. Alright, I just gotta jump from here. Here we go. Woo! That was fun. Just going around taking some pictures. Yeah. Have a nice day. Thank you. Alright, so I'm back home. I'm home and I gotta get ready for my lab, which I have in about half an hour. So I gotta get ready and get out of here. But hope you guys enjoyed that little adventure I took you guys on. I hope to do this a little bit more often. If you guys liked it, leave a thumbs up. Maybe even subscribe. Yeah, I already got something planned for tomorrow, so that should be fun. Anyways, in case you're curious what I was shooting on, this is a OnePlus 3T. So, you know, in case you want to know what I was shooting on. And as far as this is a Canon Rebel T5i. Amazing camera. I love it. So pretty much all the video shot is on the OnePlus 3T. All the images that you see in the video are shot with the Canon T5i. So yeah. Anyways, see you guys on the next one.